Here at TonnoFlip Shop, today, I'm gonna show you how the Hyundai Santa Cruz 2025 comes from factory. No tonneau cover, no protection, nothing at all. This one, we are installing the hard folding tonneau cover, but since here at TonnoFlip Shop, we do so many trucks with TonnoFlip products every day, we have another Santa Cruz here, 2025, which we already installed the hard folding tonneau cover, so I can show you how it looks now. Look, easy operation, hard folding tonneau cover by TonnoFlip. The best one you'll ever get for your Hyundai Santa Cruz. Don't go nowhere else. Don't be looking nowhere else because TonnoFlip is the best one you'll ever get for your Hyundai Santa Cruz and any other pickup truck model. Look, we have two prop rods here, so you can drive with the cover fully open, even at highway speeds, 100% access to your bed. You close the prop rods here, one on each side to make sure that tonneau cover doesn't go down while driving. Another one on the driver's side. Easy operation. Aluminum panels, lifetime warranty, flush fitment. No competition, guys. This is TonnoFlip. Now he's gonna be installing the door visors also on this Hyundai Santa Cruz 2025. Stay here so you see the process and you see how it looks on this Santa Cruz. Remember, you're gonna be able to get all these products at tonnoflip.com launching March 2026. We are very close now. We're gonna be shipping from Miami, Florida. I want you to see all the products that we've been doing here for over 7 years at TonnoFlip Shop. Live installation here. Look, rail system for the Hyundai Santa Cruz bed cover. Everything is using the factory hose here. Easy installation, easy operation with TonnoFlip, the best product. Now, he's cleaning the channel here to make sure no dirt is inside, no oil, none of that. Because these door visors are in channel type, so we have to make sure everything is clean, all four sides here. TFP door visors. I want you to see how perfect they will look on this Hyundai Santa Cruz. Stay here, don't go nowhere else. If you own a Santa Cruz, this is your channel. We've been doing Santa Cruz since they came out. Hard folding tonneau covers, door visors, and much more. These visors are not gonna crack in 3 months. Look at the material. Nothing is gonna happen to them. Flexible, durable door visors by TonnoFlip. Now he's gonna be installing the front passenger side first. Look at this, don't get scared guys. You can bend them, nothing is gonna happen to them. Very resistant material here with the TonnoFlip door visors. Now he's gonna be installing the two clips. One is gonna be up front and the other one is gonna be in the back. Make sure that the clip is all the way in. Now this side is ready, as you can see, completely flush on this Hyundai Santa Cruz. Let's install the back one. It's gonna be the same process, two clips, one up front and one in the back. Passenger side is finished here. As you can see, this is the final product on this side. Now we're gonna be doing the same process on the driver's side. Door visors finish on this Hyundai Santa Cruz, but I want to show you something else. This is like magic. While we installed these door visors, something happened here. The other Santa Cruz just finished installing the hard folding tonneau cover. Excuse me guys, this is a mess here, but like I said, this is every day at TonnoFlip Shop. Not just an online store. We've been doing this for 14 years. TonnoFlip, look at this. 2 Santa Cruz 2025 with your hard folding tonneau cover. Look, lifetime warranty. Aluminum panels here every day at TonnoFlip shop. Tacoma 2025 installing hard folding tonneau cover. Door visors as well. This is every day, guys. Like I said, TonnoFlip.com, launching March 2026, Miami, Florida. We're gonna be bringing the best product to the States. TonnoFlip.